Welcome to the leading home and contents facility in Australia for homeowners and investors. I put this together as I believe all property owners in Australia should have access to the best policies and the best service. In this facility, we include a report worth over $200 that includes a policy comparison, flood mapping, and building replacement estimate, all for free. Now, I'm going to take you through this report and point out why this is something you should seriously consider to ensure your property is covered correctly. I'm going to start off on section 2, page 6, the uninsured risks found. This is a major section of the report that you'll need to consider when you receive yours. I put this together when I obtained your current insurance schedule either via email or you can take a photo on your phone and text it through to me. Once I receive this, I can point out the major uninsured risks we have found in your current cover and how we have rectified this in our recommended policy. As an example, I'm using a past report that I sent to a client who believed their cover was correct. As you can see, their buildings were underinsured by $180,000. Now, this is actually quite common. I've done a lot of these reports now, and I've found 90 to 95% of homeowners are underinsuring their building simply because they don't know how much it would cost to rebuild. To rectify this, for free in our report, we provide a Cordell's replacement estimate, which provides a far more accurate sum insured. Further uninsurance was contents were not insured. He didn't have loss of rent covered, which was a big exposure in this case, as if he had a total loss at his property, he wouldn't be receiving his weekly rent to pay the mortgage. Malicious acts and theft by tenants was not covered. We rectified this. Accidental damage was not covered. We rectified this. That is quite important, as accidental damage claims are about 40% of the claims in home and contents risks. Direct insurer. So if you're placing your insurances directly with an insurer, this can be quite the hassle when a claim comes along. You can spend a lot of time and it can be quite stressful when they continue to reject your claim. Through this facility, we not only ensure firstly that you're covered correctly, but when you have a claim, we'll represent you against the insurer and make sure the claim is handled properly and settled quickly. Next page is flood mapping. We'll provide this to you so you have further knowledge of the flood risk in your area, and we even point out where your property is situated. Now, the home building insurance calculator through Cordell's. As I referred to earlier, we include this for free in our report. This gathers the information on your property. If you do not know the square meterage of your living space, we can simply get the amount of rooms, bathrooms, how big the kitchen is, etc. And we'll put that in and it will come up with the calculation for the insurance replacement cost estimate of your building. As you can see here, the building cost $445,000, professional fees $7.5, demolition $20,000, and GST $47,000. Now, it's vital you include all of this in your total sum insured, as if there was a total loss, you can be leaving yourself tens of thousands of dollars out of pocket, and you won't be able to restore your property to as it was before the claim occurred. From there, we have access to over 300 insurers, and we will provide you with the best quote from the market for your consideration. As you can see here, we had one insurer that offered the best terms, and we provided two options to this client, one for $10,000 and the other for $20,000 contents cover. We also provide a pay by the month option, which is a very cost-effective way of paying your premiums over 12 months. We then provide you the quote schedules, which outlines the cover that we have recommended. And from here, we just have the important notices and claims handling procedures. Now, if you would like your free report, please click the button in the body of the email below. This will bring up my email, and you simply send me your current schedule, and I look forward to replying with my report for your consideration. Thank you.